Next topic, Kalakadu Patil. Next topic, Kalakadu Patil. So the Kalakadu Patils, the Nawab sent an additional contingent. The Nawab sent an additional contingent of the Chipai to the Mapuskans. So Mapuskans, so additional soldiers to the Mapuskan and the reinforced army proceeded in the Tirunelveli. And beside the thousands of the Chipais of the company, the English East Indian Company, the thousands company Chipais Mapuskans received, and 600 more sent by the Nawab. So in Kalakadu Patils, already the British government given the thousands the army soldiers and more than 600 the soldiers given by the Nawab, sent by the Nawab, and mainly for some forces mainly for the foot soldiers from the Carnatic. Before the Mapuskan got the stations, is the troops near the Kalakadu. So the reaching times, near the Kalakadu stations, but the more than 2,000 soldiers from Tirunelveli joined in this force, the Pulitevars. So more than 2,000 soldiers joined in these Pulitevars. Finally, the Kalakadu, the revolt, the Patils was defeated in the Mapuskans. Mapuskans was defeated. Some of the mainly for the Mapuskan troops was routed, and Yusuf Khan and Pulitevars. Next one is Mapuskans and Pulitevar. They organized the residents of the Palekarar under the Pulitevar, gave an opportunities. You organize, some of the organized and the resistance of the Palekarar under Pulitevar is organized, gave an opportunities to the English to interfere directly in the affairs. Interfere directly in the affairs. So another one is for the aided by the Raja of Tiruvangur. Aided by the Raja of Tiruvangur, 1756 to 1763. The rebellions against the Nawab authority. Nawab, the Palekarar in Tirunelveli, led by the Pulitevars, were constant state of the rebellions against the Nawab authorities. Rebellions against the Nawab authority. 1756 and 1763, the Palekaras and Palekaras of Tirunelveli, led by the Pulitevar, were constant state of the rebellions against the Nawab authority. Next one is the Yusuf Khan, who had been sent the company, not prepared to attack the Pulitevars unless the big guns, ammunitions in Tiruchirappalli. So mainly for this, the Yusuf Khan, who had not sent by the company, so not sent the company soldiers, so they prepared to the attack So அதனால அவங்க அட்டாக் பண்ணல யார புலித்தேவர் the புலித்தேவர்ஸ் unless the big guns and ammunitions from the திருச்சிராப்பள்ளி arrived வரைக்கும் அவங்க அட்டாக் பண்ணல. So as the English were at the war that times the English attacked in French and they as well as Hyder Ali and Marathas. So these reasons cannot send the soldiers. The British attacked these English, Marathas and Hyder Alis. So these two regions, rulers, the artillery arrived only in the September 1760. The Yusuf Khan to battle of the battle of the Nirkutan Severs, the fort attacked and the continue for the about 2 months. So the Yusuf Khans continue to attack the 2 months for the 16th May 1761. The Pulitevar 3 major port. One is here Nirkutan Severs, another one is the mainly for the 3 important state. One is the Nirkutan Severs. So 3 importance mainly for 16th May 1761. The Pulitevar 3 major port. One is here Nirkutan Severs. One is the Nirkutan Severs. Another one is here the Vasudevanallur. Another one is Paniyur. Came under the control of the Yusuf Khan. So finally the capture for the Yusuf Khans. So in this topic Yusuf Khans and Pulitevar mainly is some of the organized the residents of the Palekaran under the Pulitevars gave to the opportunity to attack the interference of the directly affairs of Tirunelveli regions. After that the British, the Yusuf Khans not attacked because the British government not sent the soldiers. The British attacked in first one is the Marathas, another one is Hyder Alis, third one is for this Hyder Alis, another one is for the Marathas, Hyder Alis and the French. So the French Hyder Ali, Marathas so attacked the British in 1760. The British government sent the soldiers. After that the Yusuf Khan captured the 3 important places. One is for this Nirkutan Severs, another one is for this Vasudevanallur, another one is the Panayurs. So came under the control of Yusuf Khans. After taking the Pondicherry, the English had eliminated the French rules. So the French rules controlled by the Pondicherry, they controlled by the French rules. But the British entered the Pondicherry, they eliminated in the French rules. After taking the Pondicherry, the English had eliminated the French rules. As a result, this is the unity of Palekaran began to the break of the French support. So they captured or eliminated the French rules in Pondicherry. So the Palekarans and the French, the unity was break up. The resulted this. The unity of the Palekaran began to the break up a French support was not the forthcomings in Tiruvangur. Next one is the sum of the regions mainly for the the some of the regions not support to the Palaikarar. One is here the Tiruvangus, Seturs, Uttumalais. Another one is here the mainly for the Uttumalais, Surandai. The Surandais, the royalty of the British camp, the support to the British camp. The without informing the other one is important leaders for this. The Yusuf Khan without informing to the British government, that talking with the Palaikaras. So Yusuf Khan's British inform பண்ணாம பாளையக்காட்டர் உடன்படிக்கை ஏற்படுத்தினார in hanged in 1764. Hanged in 1764. So in this topic mainly for the French rules the eliminated by the British in Pondicherry. So the Palaikaras and French unity was break up. After that, mainly for the after the some of the regions, the Tiruvangur, Setur, Uttumalais, and another one is for the Surandais. The church of the royalty all support to the British government. Another one is the importance leaders for this, mainly for Yusuf Khan not informed to the British government, then negotiating with the Palaikaras. So finally the Yusuf Khan hanged in 1764. So next topic, the fall of the Pulittevas. The fall of the Pulittevas. Fall of the Pulittevas. Fall of the Pulittevas. After death of the Khan Sahib. After death of the Khan Sahib, the Pulittevas returned from the exile and the recapture of the Nerkattum Seval in 1764. So after death of the Khan Sahib, but these remaining for these Pulittevas recaptures of these Nerkattum Sevals in 1764. He was here defeated by after that he was defeated by the Captain Campbells in 1767. 1767 the Pulittevas escaped and died in this in exile. So mainly for in this topic, so Khan Sahib died, and after that the Pulittevas capture of these Nerkattum Sevals, and against to the Campbell in 1967 captured the Nerkattum Sevals, the Pulittevas was died. So thank you.